Hey everybody, JJ here with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. Try and spit that out of my mouth a little better. In beautiful Largo, Florida. I am here today with my wheel and tire and doing, I believe, part 4 on this series of putting tire coating. In this case, it is the Jet Black by Turtle Wax. This is the Enduro Shine. This is hard to find. They have discontinued this item. I did a search. It listed it in a lot of places, but it said out of stock. Don't get too caught up on that. This could be any tire dressing, tire coating, anything that you want to imagine it as. Don't worry that this is a black acrylic tinted tire coating. I happen to love this stuff. It makes the tires very smooth, hydrophobic, very glossy. You can get a year of shininess out of this. I like shiny tires. Go ahead, bag on me all you want, but I like shiny tires sometimes. Most of my clients I do in a matte or a satin finish, but I actually ask each and every one of my clients right before I do their car, especially if it's the first time, and I put this down on my sign-in sheet. Do you like shiny tires or do you like flat matte tires? And from that, I go from there on what products I use. But anyway, this is the said Jet Black. It comes in a kit. You get some incredibly bad plastic gloves. You get this tire applicator. You get this, which is all you really need, and it gives you some tire cleaner in there too, which is, you know, I think just worthless. But anyway, the other day I opened this. I've done the 3 tires on this car, and I actually got chased by rain. This has been a multi-part, multi-day, multi-step process. My next step that I'm going to be filming right after this is coating with Britemax SiO2 ceramic dioxide, or also silica dioxide, however you want to phrase it. And I will be coating the wheels on the BMW. So let me get right to it. So let's just pretend this is any dressing, right? Why have I taped off my rim? Well, I'm going to be putting a coating on my rim, right? Could I coat the rim first, let it dry, then tape it up and do the tire last? Yes, I could. But this tire coating dries very quickly. In fact, I need to kind of get on with it. So I'm going to take advantage of that nice quick drying, and I am going to put a light coat of this product on the big flat surfaces of my Bridgestone Potenza RE71 Rs. Yep, I autocross my BMW Z4M series, and it grips. So of course you want to stay away from where you make contact. It will wear off easily. This is not a silicone. You're not going to slip and slide, anything like that. Very, very easy to apply this particular product. Like any dressing, get yourself all spread out. Then you can start working your letters, and every tire will have its own type of decorations. This has a little rib line through here. It has a rib line right next to the rim, which also is very important in this case because I want to get the product on that little rib design that is right next to the rim. Now this is a black tinted acrylic. Trust me, if you get any of this anywhere, it will be black for a very long time. It's very hard to remove. I did, while doing a little research on the Turtle Wax and its availability, knowing that I was going to have people going, but JJ, you're showing us something we can't buy. You can actually buy it. I found a couple boxes on the O'Reilly discount rack just about 4 months ago, and I think I bought 3 boxes. So I use this as an upgrade for clients that tell me they want long-lasting, shiny black tires because they like the look. It's I think it kind of goes back to where that's all we had was some Armor All back in the 70s when I started doing some detailing, and you know, everything was shiny. Your tires looked shiny. We didn't have all the major dressing choices that everybody's got now. Now you can see how black that is. It immediately stains the tape. I kind of keep on using just this fine edge. This is actually a pretty good foam tool that comes with this kit. I've seen a lot worse, I'll just say that. So I don't know how well this is coming up. And again, this could be any dressing. Do you need to go and tape off your rim every time you dress a tire? Well, I would be willing to bet probably most of you don't. But let me tell you, if you can get the tape and bend it around this edge of the rim right here where I've got my finger, and all of this there's no metal exposed on this open edge side. I don't know how well that comes out in the camera there. I do have dual 5000K blue lights that I'm going to be using for correcting. I've got a lot of correcting videos coming up. My Rupes Millet is due to arrive today. Millet. So that'll be cool. So I've got these lights for doing correcting to show a lot of the deep scratches, and it really does bring out everything on these wheels and tires too. So I hope that's helping out a little bit. I'm trying to make this channel a little better all the time. I've got a lot of great ideas and a lot of things that I'll be doing. I have not received some of my great help that I thought I was. So anyway, this is pretty well coated. I've given it a little chance to dry. Instructions on this particular product say put 1 light coat, allow to dry, dries very quickly. Apply a second, slightly thicker coat, and then if you want more luster, you can do a final 3rd coat, which is what this one is. I'm going to get deep, give you an idea of how black that is. I do put these very thick vinyl, these are pieces of curtain liner down. I've got to work because of my sun and shade. I've got to work in this area, in the grass. I actually don't have any concrete on the property, which is a 120-year-old grove house. And so it allows me to slide. Even if I'm on cement, I put these down. I'm on concrete, I'm on tar. It just kind of saves everything. I pop a few holes in them and everything drains out just fine. Another little tip there. So there's my final 3rd coat. I'm just going to kind of finish off. If you watched the Honda the other day with the Geon Quartz 2 tire, you want to just have a nice, smooth, continuous finish for your last go-round. So that's it, right? Before this video gets too long, I'm going to let this dry for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take the tape off and I'm going to make a new film that will deal with the coating. But I'm going to show you how this came out. It's from 2 days ago. I finished the other 3 wheels here. So, forgive me while I move the lights and move you. Now, I am wanting to show you, see this line I believe this was actually my lower edge, which I'm fine. I went up a little bit onto it here, trying to find my own finger. And as I came down, this was probably the ground level right here, because it's a little lessened, and then it goes back up higher. Probably my camera work is pretty poor here. But the long and short of it is, you can see this black line. This tinted acrylic is pretty amazing. You can see the shine probably come off that tire pretty well. I'll take you down on another angle here. And if you like shiny black and you can find the turtle wax, or you can find another competitor that is making a black acrylic tinted, I happen to love this stuff. I've actually been using this for probably 5 years. I was kind of bummed out when I found out they discontinued it, but I thank you for joining me here with this. And please subscribe, please like, please share, please do all the things you need to do. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some love. Give me some more subscriptions. Let's see. I'm terrible with camera work, but I swear I'm trying to get better with it. Everybody, thank you very much. Thanks for being part of my channel. And I'm off to go upload this, get started on some editing, and film the final SiO coating of the wheels. Thanks a lot. Bye.